Britax is one of the most premium and most affordable car seat brands you can purchase. Hi, I'm Emilio from Bambi Baby, and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 40 years. If you have any questions, comments about any of the products, click the links below and follow along. I am here to educate you and guide you down your shopping journey of all premium brands. At Bambi Baby, we partner with Britax with the One for Life, the Poplar, the Grow With You, and the Ultimate Booster. The Britax range of convertible car seats gives you adaptability from newborn, rear-facing up to 50 pounds, and forward-facing 65 pounds, or with the Grow With You, it becomes a booster all the way up to 120 pounds. Fitting your child into a convertible car seat is very, very important. That's why they make such a wide array. Depending on the weight, size of your child, you should find the car seat that fits them best and pair it with your vehicle. The Poplar car seat at only 17.5 inches is one of the most narrow to possibly get 3 across. When choosing a convertible car seat, sizing your baby is going to be one of the most important decisions. The vehicle you're going to fit it in and which seat is the right one for you. A One for Life, a Poplar S, a Grow With You, you decide. We have them all to test and fit into your vehicles. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below. Liking this video and subscribing is really, really important. Call us at 877-82-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. We have 5 convenient locations for you to shop at: Miami, Florida, Paramus, New Jersey, Middletown, New Jersey, Long Island, New York, and Staten Island, New York. Comment below with any questions. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this in the future, and thank you for watching.